Getting started with TravelCall is quick and easy. You can sign up using your hotel or travel partner's QR code, or directly from our website at travelcall.app. And by clicking Join Free as shown here. When the sign-up window opens, just enter your mobile number to create your account. We'll text or SMS you one-time passcode, OTP. So keep your phone handy. Once you enter the correct code, the system will ask for your name and email address. Your QR code and account details will be sent there. In just a few seconds, you'll see your personal QR code on screen along with the App Store and Google Play download buttons. Tap the Store button to download the app. After installation, simply scan your QR code with your phone's camera. The MobyX app will open and configure itself automatically. When you see the status marked ready, you're all set to start calling. For example, US, dial 1-888-286-4484. For Hong Kong, dial 852-580-86900. If you need help, you can chat with us directly on the website, or call us anytime from the MobyX app free to 852-2632-9733. TravelCall, your voice, everywhere.